Hello everyone, let's learn Bahasa Melayu by just watching. Today we are going to chapter 7. I'm gonna explain about cardinal numbers. Chapter 7 or bab 7. Cardinal numbers. Numbers in Bahasa Melayu are expressed as follows. 1, 1, 2, 2 or 2, 3, 3 or 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20. The word belas in unit 11 to 19. Here 11 to 19 belas means teen in English. Se is abbreviated from satu. Se and satu are interchangeable in most cases. 11 is never used. Like here 10, 10. Se is satu. 11, 11. Se here also satu. But we never say 10 or 11. It's always 10 and 11. 0 is kosong. Another translation is sifar. But in number we use kosong. The word N in the English 527 is not rendered in Bahasa Melayu. So in Bahasa Melayu, we just say 527. 20, 20. 30, 30. 40, 40. 50, 50. 60, 60. 70, 70. 80, 80. 90, 90. 100, 100. 100, unlike 10 or 11, 10 or 11, you can change se here to 1, 100 or 100, no problem. 59, 59, 50, 50, 9. 68, 68, 60, 8. 71, 71, 70, 1. 82, 82, 80, 2. 94, 94, 90, 4. 47, 47, 40, 7. 26 or 26, 26, 20, 6, 26. 35, 35, 30, 5. Okay, hundreds. 603, 600, 600. Ratus means 100. 603, 603. 600, 600, 3. 527, 527. 500, 500, 27, 27. And 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. Also like 100, you can replace se here to satu. 1,000 or 1,000. And this number 3,548. 3,000, 3,000, 500, 500, 48, 48. 3,548, 3,548. Zero, we said kosong. Usually we say kosong. Sifar, rarely. Kosong can also means empty. And another meaning for kosong is vacant, like vacant house or job vacancy. Kosong. Like here, sentence example, balang ini kosong. Balang, jar, ini, this. Balang ini, this jar. Kosong is empty. Poketku kosong. Pocket is pocket. Ku is from the word aku. Aku is another form of saya, means I. Pocketku, my pocket. Kosong is empty. It means I don't have money. To say that you have no money or having a financial problem. Next, perut saya kosong. Perut saya. Perut means stomach or tummy or belly. Saya, I. Here become possessive, my. Perut saya, my tummy. Kosong is empty. That means you don't have any food. You didn't eat. To express hunger. Okay, exercise. 1. 39. 39. 2. 74. 74. 3. 51. 51. 4. 82. 82. 5. 63. 63. 6. 432. 432. 7. 259. 259. 8. 713. 713. 9. 395. 395. 10. 1960. 1960. Exercise B. Number 1. 25 is 25. 2. 48. 48. 3. 79. 79. 4. 263. 263. 5. 547. 547. 6. 681. 681. 7. 394. 394. 8. 790. 790. 9. 2345. 2345. 10. 4011. 4011. Okay, sa. Sa refer to the number, only one digit number. That is from 1 to 9. We said sa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9. And belas from 11 to 19. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and puluh. Puluh means tens. From 10 to 90. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100, 100 or 100. Usually we say 100 and so on. 200, 200, 300, 300, and so on. 21, 21. 22, 22. 23, 23. 24, 24. 35, 35. 46, 46. 57, 57. 68, 68. 79, 79. 80, 80. Ratus, 100. 100, 100. 200, 200. 300, 300. 400, 400. 500, 500. 600, 600. 700, 700. 800, 800. 900, 900. 1000, 1000 or 1000. For million, we say juta or juta. 1 million, sejuta or 1 juta. Sejuta, 1 juta. 2 million, 2 juta. 3 million, 3 juta. 4 million, 4 juta. 5 million, 5 juta. 6 million, 6 juta. 7 million, 7 juta. 8 million, 8 juta. 9 million, 9 juta. 10 million, 10 juta. And for billion, zillion, and trillion, we only keep one L here. And ingat or remember, ingat. For 10, we never say 10. It's always 10. And also 11. Always 11, not 11. For 100, 100, 100 or 100. 1000, 1000 or 1000. 1 million, 1 juta or 1 juta. Now we are going to fractions. 1/4 or quarter. We say suku. Suku means quarter. Or 1/4, 1, 1. Over, per, 4, 4. 1/4. For 1/2 or half, we say setengah. Setengah. Or 1/2. 1/2. Another word for half in Bahasa Melayu, apart from setengah, is separuh. 3/4. 3 suku. 3/4. Or 3/4. 3/4. 1/3. 1/3. 2/3. 2/3. 3 over 5, 3 per 5. 4 over 7, 4 per 7. 6 over 15, 6 per 15. Next, decimal points. Expressed as perpuluhan or per 10, but we said perpuluhan more. Perpuluhan means point, like 2.3, 2 perpuluhan 3, 2.3. 7.25, 7 perpuluhan 25. 7.25, not 7.25. It's 7.25. You should pronounce the number one by one. 16.014, 16, 16, point, perpuluhan, 014, 014. And percent. Percent is expressed as peratus, from the word per 100. Peratus. 5%, 5%. 35%, 35%. 12.5%, 12,5%. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.